Hello friends. As we know, microbiota plays a very important role in our body. The microbiota includes bacteria, fungi, protozoa and viruses. This video is divided into 3 parts. On first part we will discuss about the microbiota of the gut and their importance. On next part, we will discuss about the function of microbiota which affects our nutrition. And on last part we will discuss on how we can help our gut to create a symbiotic relationship with the microbiota. Our gut behaves as a microenvironment to the microbiota. The human microbiota is composed primarily of bacteria than other microbes. The gut microbiota is responsible for substrate breakdown, production of vitamins, signaling molecules and antimicrobial compounds, etc. The important role of microbiota is to transform complex indigestible molecules such as dietary fibers and mucin into short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs. This SCFAs have many health benefits, such as anti-inflammatory, immunoregulatory, anti-obesity, anti-diabetes, anti-cancer, cardiovascular protective, hepatoprotective, and neuroprotective activities. The main SCFAs are acetate, propionate and butyrate. These 3 play a very important role in body. Butyrate induces the formation of regulatory Treg cells which is responsible prevention of autoimmune diseases. Acetate can cross the blood-brain barrier and reduce appetite via a central homeostatic mechanism which can help in body weight management. This helps in weight reduction. Propionate is a major microbial fermentation metabolite in the human gut with putative health effects that extend beyond the gut epithelium. Propionate is thought to lower lipogenesis, serum cholesterol levels, and carcinogenesis in other tissues. Increasing propionate production through diet could therefore be a potent strategy to increase health, especially from microbial carbohydrate fermentation. Overall, SCFAs decrease colonic pH, decrease circulating cholesterol, inhibit the growth of pathogens, stimulate water and sodium absorption, provide energy to the colonic epithelial cells, and prevent high-fat diet-induced obesity by stimulating fat oxidation. Then comes what type of diet we should take to increase these microbiotas in our gut and receive maximum benefit from it. Processed foods. Food processing also has a very major effect on the microbiota. Raw food, vegetables and fruit have their own microbiota that is affected by the processing method. Highly processed and preserved foods reduces the microbiota naturally present on it, so we should avoid highly processed food in our diet. Fermented foods like cheese, sauerkraut, tempeh, curd, nattos, etc. are enriched in bacteria that transiently colonize the gut. Proteinaceous foods. Protein consumption positively correlates with overall microbial diversity. According to a 2017 study involving samples of bacteria in test tubes, whey proteins can also significantly increase the numbers of healthy gut bacteria such as lactobacilli and bifidobacterium. These bacteria help to break down food and digest fiber, absorb important nutrients. Whey protein can also decreases the pathogenic Bacteroides fragilis and Clostridium perfringens. Pea proteins lead to an increase in intestinal SCFA levels. Consuming more animal protein enriches Bacteroides and Elistopes in the microbiota and reduces fecal SCFAs. Bifidobacterium spp. Lactobacillus, Roseburia, Eubacterium, and Faecalibacterium prausnitzi are associated with the increased production of SCFA that are considered anti-inflammatory and important for maintenance of the mucosal barrier. Fat in diet. Human studies indicate increases in total anaerobic microflora, which generally pathogenic and amount of pathogenic bacteroides in a high-fat diet. A low-fat diet increases human fecal abundance of bifidobacterium at the same time reducing fasting glucose and total cholesterol. Bifidobacterium plays a very important to decrease the toxic effects of gluten on the intestinal lining. And it could be involved in the prevention of celiac disease, in addition to fighting tumors, strengthening the immune system, and aiding the digestive system. Bifidobacterium lactis can play a significant role in combating allergies, preventing eczema, assisting with high cholesterol, breaking down body waste, and normalizing blood sugar levels. No shifts in the relative abundance of any bacterial genera is seen with high monounsaturated fat consumption, as in salmon, which is high in mono and polyunsaturated fats. Carbohydrate-based foods. There are two types of carbohydrate category. One is digestive carbohydrate and another one is non-digestive carbohydrate fibers, which is generally present in whole grains and whole cereals. These non-digested carbs are fermented in the large intestine by microorganisms. So it increases the amount of microbiota in the gut like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. So it is preferable to take whole grains rather than refined one. So this all for today's video. In next video we will talk about another topic. If you like this video, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos in future. Thank you.